Alright, so today we're gonna make a video on how to remove a patio cover in the trash removal business, or junk removal, whatever you want to call it. You know, everybody goes, oh, I'm in the junk removal business, you know. I guess they make it more glamorous than what it is. It's really trash pickup. That's what you do. You're picking up other people's garbage majority of the time. So that's what we do. We're gonna take you on a ride today. We got a bunch of jobs, but the first job is we're gonna be demoing a big ass pergola. It's a big aluminum one, the ones that you buy at Home Depot or Costco, whatever. It's been out there for a while, and we're gonna go get it out of the way. It's for a contractor that we do a lot of business for. We're gonna go take on our adventure. Again, this is Nick, the Hauler Junk Removal, and check it out. First job, demo patio cover. Stay tuned. Got the dogs going. Big pergola. It's huge. A wall in the way. Got that wall. I think what we're gonna do is just go ahead and unbolt it and just drop it a little bit at a time. Make it easier. And we'll get that all in one load. Super easy. We'll just drop it down. Once it's on the ground, it's gonna go quick. So we'll get it down. We gotta bring it all through here. This little area. It's not too far. And into the truck. Probably back up a little bit more, but we'll see. We'll get some tools. And we'll show you our progress as we go throughout the day. Should take us a couple hours. Get up there with the ladder. Got the ladder. Get the ladder. Go up there and take it apart a little bit at a time. Take our time so there's no damage. Okay, so stay tuned. We'll show you the progress on this one. We're out here today in beautiful Vista, North County, San Diego. Okay guys, so we're making some good progress. What we did first, we took all the roof down. All the gazebo roofs down, and then we started chopping this, just breaking the sides apart. So took all the roof off, dropped it to the floor, and dropped it to the side because we didn't want to get it in the pool. Because we're doing all that, we don't want to break the pool and all around there. So it's kind of a tight little quarter, little area. If this thing was on like a lawn area, we would just fucking dropped it. Wouldn't even care where it landed, but we took our time. We're into this thing for about an hour right now. So when you do these, you need to take the roofs off first. Slowly bring it down to the ground because they're so big and heavy. That whole thing was actually had steel. The steel was all on the roof and then had aluminum bracing through it. So we'll get a little bit of scrap and go take it to the recycler, see what we get. Won't get much, but that's okay. We're doing our part to help the world to be a better place. Anyway, got it all picked up. You can see it. And let's go see how much room I took up in my truck. Not too bad, actually. Probably like half the truck. So it's all in here, disassembled. We had some stuff in there already. Our truck holds about 15 yards, 15 to 20 yards. It's a pretty big truck. And all fits easy. I mean, we could go do a bunch more jobs, but we're gonna run to the recycler, get it cleaned up. Shut our door. Not shut, not shut. Put the pin in. Okay, so we got everything cleaned up. We broom finished everything, make it nice and pretty. They'll be happy, hopefully. And they'll be calling us back for more. So if you need something picked up, give us a call. Or if you want to know how to do it, check out our video, show you how to do it. It's pretty easy to do yourself. So you could demo it yourself, and then all you need is like a Sawzall. We use a little cordless drill on that thing. Took it down a little bit at a time. So if you want to demo it, save some money, demo it down, make a pile, give us a holler. We'll come out and just pick up your trash. it's even easier. Saves you money, saves me time. It's both a win-win situation for everybody. So it's all done. So stay tuned. Going to another job probably today, or I don't know, we'll see what we do.